Your homepage is where visitors will get a first impression of your site. Depending on your visitors, your goals, and your site, this is where people can find essential information that they're looking for. Or create a sense of mystery and suspense, encouraging them to explore more of your site. Highlight different content in certain sections of your homepage, like your products and services. Direct visitors straight to your content using a button block. Or set a blog page or portfolio page as the main homepage, helping your visitors find your posts or projects. Select from a variety of pre-built layouts as a guide to customize your welcome page, which includes text blocks, image blocks, and more. Navigate to the Site Styles panel to change the font, color, animation, spacing, and more. Don't forget to save all the changes that you have made. Please let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.